She's 35, I'm just more. I said she's more than beautiful. I'm too wrong. Can't leave her no money to take her clothes off. Now she come with no fancy stuff. I went, touch her softly. She erupts with sharp lips. She said, oh, delight, mother. She need like seasons in her ovary. Yeah, touch her softly. She erupts with sharp lips. I perform so darkly. She love life and she believe in it patiently. She said the donkey cart safer than the Bentley. Wearing the chariot, sipping so pleasantly. Fruit her nuts, I present it. She got the pressure out, I did it gently. She's so young and green, no, she's just 20. I'm killing her cup and never let it be empty. Oh, so diligently. Touch her softly. Erupt sharply. Oh, be like mother. She be like scissors in her ovary. Yeah, touch her softly. She erupts sharply. Oh, so I perform so darkly. I come from you. Tell her to keep it real and don't be phony. Tell her to slip up like sisters and not slowly. Tell her to get the mighty kill though it's so stony. Nothing was wrong with brownie. The eucalyptus and the herb it keep her rolling. Too much blast it up
video, you know.
she does come out with herbal bar. She not frozen. Burn the lingual.
You not hear me, you know. What's your name again? Sister, now video, you know. Yeah? So when my husband put out one next video, you never need eh? You never ready? You never, oh, you never early. You couldn't get missing and go find some. Your bags, that's all. You see, it couldn't work. You see? You know, you say we did about one dress so you feel more hopeful. You see it? You see it? So I perform the surgery. Keep her up with sharp knives. She makes my life. She did like squeezes in her ovary. Yeah, I touch her softly. Keep her up with eyes. Next video we have put on, man. In time we're ready to drop that. So she could be me. I put food and I feel up close to the girl. Love I so she know what she might not know funny in her pocket for the girl. I so blind, oh I'm proud of that. I put it like a baby chicken. Now tonight, oh me no pork, not a chicken. You say it's too hot. Boy, I think the chalice is supposed to help lick out your nerves, man.
Some people rub chalice.
You can't do that. Hey, I still wouldn't know the nicotine when I grab it, you know?
Grabber pop. Hold it back grabber. Hold it back grabber. Yeah, so no grabber.
And I grab them and smoke, you know? And a weed, you know? Yeah, man.
I don't just find myself like in a position there. Go grabber. And what? Now that it's like in a grabber.
I know all I stand beyond, and you gone and she was home. You're not responsible. I need a girl to see us love. The part of how that she not touch. I feel like she have to take care of us. She's she love life and she believe in it patiently. She said the donkey cart safer than the Bentley. Wearing the chariot, sipping up like Bentley. No term, but I present it. She said she touch her off and